The National Electrical Code 2008 includes new requirements for cables installed in plenum spaces, specifically addressed in Section 800.90c. CMP 50 cables are a type of plenum cable that utilizes a fluorinated ethylene propylene, or FEP, jacket. The primary purpose of this new requirement in the NEC 2008 is to mitigate the risk of corrosive gases being produced during a fire. PVC jacketed cables have the potential to release corrosive gases such as hydrogen chloride and soot when subjected to combustion. These gases can be detrimental, causing damage to electronic equipment and other sensitive materials. In contrast, FEP jacketed cables are designed not to produce these corrosive gases. It is important to note that CMP 50 cables typically have a higher cost compared to PVC jacketed cables. The cost premium can vary based on specific cable specifications and the manufacturer. The new requirement for CMP 50 cables went into effect for new installations on January 1, 2009. However, a transitional period was implemented, extending until January 1, 2011, during which PVC jacketed cables were permitted for use in plenum spaces if they met certain conditions. Additional resources are available for further information.